Here are some beginner tips for learning English effectively. 1. Start with basics. Alphabet and sounds. Learn the English alphabet and the sounds of letters. Focus on vowels, A, E, I, O, U, as they are key to pronunciation. Common words and phrases. Memorize essential words and phrases like greetings, numbers, days of the week, and basic questions, e.g., what is your name? 2. Listen regularly. Watch videos. Watch English videos with subtitles on YouTube or educational channels. Songs and podcasts. Listen to simple songs or podcasts to improve understanding and pronunciation. 3. Practice speaking. Mirror practice. Speak in front of a mirror to boost confidence and focus on pronunciation. Daily conversations. Use basic English phrases in everyday conversations. For example, say good morning or how are you to friends or family. Read and write daily. Read simple books. Start with children's storybooks or articles written in simple English. Write short sentences. Write a few sentences daily about your day or interests. 5. Learn grammar step by step. Start with simple rules like subject-verb agreement and basic tenses, present, past, future. Avoid overloading yourself with advanced grammar in the beginning. 6. Use mobile apps and tools. Apps. Use apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or HelloTalk to practice English. Online translators. Use tools like Google Translate to understand and learn new words. 7. Make it fun. Games. Play word games like crosswords or Scrabble to expand vocabulary. Movies and TV shows. Watch your favorite shows in English with subtitles. 8. Stay consistent. Dedicate at least 15 to 30 minutes daily to practice. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small achievements. 9. Learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are a natural part of learning. Ask for feedback from teachers, friends, or language partners. 10. Join a community. Find online groups or local classes where you can practice with other learners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.